When my life fell apart in the last 6 months, I didn't just lose money, I lost clarity and I didn't know where to start. And hiring professionals would have just cost me thousands and thousands I just didn't have. But there was one thing that helped me get control back again, and that was AI. And today I'll show you exactly how I used AI, and a little bit more specifically ChatGPT, to save a serious amount of money. So welcome back to Modest Money Matters. So if you saw in my first video that I've hit rock bottom in my early 40s, and one of the reasons I could start rebuilding was because I used AI. I had a complicated property situation. My circumstances changed and I had to get my tenants out of my property so I could move in. Professionals, solicitors, they were just quoting me huge amount of fees, and the pressure building every single day. I didn't want to make mistakes. I didn't want to say the wrong thing. I didn't know where to even begin. I didn't know where to even start or anything like that. And I didn't want to be unprepared. And also I didn't want to spend thousands and thousands that I just didn't have. So I took a chance and typed something really simple into ChatGPT. It was nothing fancy. It was just the prompt that I used was act like a solicitor and explain the process to me like I'm completely new. And that little bit at the beginning where it said act like a solicitor, that was for me groundbreaking, and that became the turning point for me. AI didn't do everything for me, just to let you know, but it gave me a lot of clarity. And here's exactly how ChatGPT helped me to save money without crossing any lines or anything like that. Understanding the process, I asked ChatGPT to explain things step by step in plain, simple English. It helped me to understand the legal aspects of things and how the process all works. Because when you understand something, you make fewer mistakes. ChatGPT helped me to prepare myself before speaking to professionals. So instead of walking blind, ChatGPT helped me to learn the right questions to ask. It told me what questions to even ask, and that alone just saved me time and it saved me money. AI helped me to turn emotional, frustrated messages into calm, clear, professional ones. And professional communication usually gets quicker results. It helped me to organize my thoughts and my strategy. I used ChatGPT to outline plans, timelines, checklists, and options. So it helped me to be more organized. It helped me to represent myself in court and get all the necessary paperwork done. It also helped me to save money, as I mentioned before, by not panicking, because when you panic, you tend to overspend. ChatGPT gave me the space to breathe, understand, and think, and to make decisions step by step. And that alone helped me to save a fortune. In the end, I still had to take the real steps. I still had to deal with the situation, but using ChatGPT meant I wasn't confused or unprepared or throwing money at every single problem. And because of that, it helped me to save money and get my property back. So here's how you can use ChatGPT or any AI tool like Copilot or something along those lines, or Gemini, the right way, the way that it can actually help you. Be specific with your prompts. Tell it what you need, what you're dealing with, and what you want explained. Clarify your problem. An example prompt will be explain XYZ in plain English for someone with no experience. Ask the AI tool that you're using to simplify complicated topics. If you get rid of that jargon and you get back to the basics, you understand the process, and that will help you to make the right decisions. Let AI help you plan your action. So an example prompt would be create a checklist with step-by-step actions to solve XYZ problem. Another way to use it is to remove the emotions from communication, let it polish your messages so it will sound professional. An example prompt would be, rewrite this message professionally and clearly to XYZ person. Something I would like to say as well, always double check things. That's really important. AI is just a tool, it's not a replacement. I just really want to emphasize that, because when I was chatting with ChatGPT, I would question everything. I would question its language. I would question, why are you saying it shall? When it was, for me, it sounded like it was black and white. I was saying, why are you not saying it will do XYZ? And then it would explain why, and that again gave me more clarity in the situation that I was in. So again, I would even question it. These steps can work for finances, business, or even your own personal life, and any personal challenges that you're facing right now. Using AI this way didn't replace my actions. I still had to follow it through, but it helped me save money, helped me avoid mistakes, and it helped me regain some confidence. And that's the real value that I've definitely gained in these last couple of months by using AI. It's helped me to see a path that is clearly planned and act smart. So if you're rebuilding your life like I am, AI isn't going to fix everything. Again, it's just a tool that can help you drastically, and I mean drastically, help you take calm, confident steps forward. And sometimes that's all you just need, a little place to just begin and start rebuilding. So if you want practical tools, real stories, and the mistakes I made so you don't have to, then please do hit that subscribe button. If you found value in this video, which I hope you have, please hit that like button, and I hope to see you in the next one.